Hey y'all, I'm back. No, seriously, I'm back to show you how to do these twists. You guys on TikTok has been loving this hairstyle. It has got over 1 million views. So we're gonna learn how to do it together today. This is the update of my hair from the big chop in October. Y'all, I'm so glad I big chop. But yes, this is the shiny jam that I use. I put it all over my hair because it helps it grip more. I put a lot, honestly. I'm just like one of those braiders for real. I'm going to be answering some of the questions that I seen in my TikTok comments. One question was, why do I not just braid with the hair? Why did I crochet it? It's because I don't actually know how to braid like with weave. Crocheting makes it a lot easier, as well as my hair is really short. I've had times where I get my hair braided, and when my hair is really short, their braids will just slip right on out. So crocheting makes it a lot secure. Another question was, what type of hair that I use? One of the most asked questions. I use Twisted Up by Expression. Another one would be how much of the hair that I use, because a lot of people want it as thick as I have it, and I take a little bit apart from that, like a little bit more than half, and then I'm gonna use the bigger portion to crochet that into my hair. I feel like that is what gives it the thickness. Seeing a lot of people also ask what's the length. I use 12-inch on the bottom and 16-inch on the top of my hair. That kind of gives it a more fuller effect as well. Alright, so boom, you put the hair into the loop and then you close it. You slid it right into your hair. You got to do it smoothly because you don't want your hair to snag. After that, I open it up and then I'm going to slide one part of the hair through. A lot of people also asking me how long do I plan on keeping this in. Baby, I'm keeping this in for at least the end of summer. Like, these twists are so convenient and it gives off, I don't know how to explain it. Like, it just gives. It gives. I'm telling you, if you want, just to look effortless, this is the hairstyle to get. It's so pretty. Let's continue. I'm gonna be taking out part of the hair that I braided out so it can blend seamlessly with the twist and it won't be like a braid in a braid. You get what I mean? I just want to say shout out to everybody that was subscribed to me on YouTube before when I was doing all type of videos. I really love you guys, and if you're watching this video to this point, I just want to say I love you. Like, dead ass, I love you. Okay, this is probably the most important part. I start off by braiding. Yeah, I don't know why I braid this way. This is just how I learned to braid on myself. So I start off by braiding it, and then later on, as you can see in the video, I'm gonna be twisting it. So I'm probably just gonna add music right here so you guys, probably tired of my voice. Bye. And that's the end product. What Drake say? I'm so proud of you. I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. I haven't said that in so long. Wow. Okay, bye. Love you guys.